Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by the best coach in SA, Coach KP.
Hey, Steve.
I'm not a member.
Congrats to Chiefs.
Yes.
Hey, Steve, let's just start Stellenbosch, mate.
Yeah.
I think they started well, but there's something I picked up, Steve. Hence why I always say I hardly miss warm-ups.
Yes.
Because for me, the warm-up are the most important thing. Hence why Stellenbosch started very well.
Yes.
Chiefs came to the field to warm up for 10 minutes.
Yes.
Hence why you see much players with cramps.
Oh.
I don't know if it's their new culture or what. 10 minutes, Still, I was watching at the time. They came in got 10 past 7.
Yes, coach.
Yeah, around 20 past, the fourth official was already saying they should go back.
Okay.
It could be one thing, because remember they say warm-up is very important, you see.
The most important.
The most important thing. So hence why Stellenbosch for me started extremely well.
Yes, coach.
Because they had a proper warm-up. But you can see imbalanced team.
Yeah.
Or inexperience, you can see fatigue is killing them now.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe from cave. But well, in terms of the game, I personally feel they started well.
Yes, coach.
Yeah, they started very well. They had a diamond in the center.
Yeah.
Because Chiefs had a 3-4-3 when they were marking.
Yes.
But for me, Unduli.
Yeah.
One of the greatest players. Who's that? Their center back. Traore. Melt.
Okay, Torre
and Muluisani.
Yes.
Very brilliant. De Jong, we know.
Quality.
Adams, he's a quality player.
Yes.
But for me, he doesn't give us 90 minutes, Steve.
Yeah,
Adams, yes, he's there, you can see, but he doesn't really give us the whole game.
Legs.
Yeah, maybe it's because of too many games. We don't know.
Yes, coach.
So, but congrats to coach.
Yeah.
So for me, this is how Chiefs lined up.
Okay, coach.
Yeah, I might be wrong.
Yeah.
Well, this is how they lined up.
Yes, coach.
Yeah, so it was
Yeah, coach.
So it was the back three, the three center backs, which was Ditlokwe, Cross, and then Dotley, Miguel, who's that, Blom?
Blom, yeah.
And then they had Matt and Ox.
Yes.
If you look at this already, it tells you it's a defensive shape. That's me.
Okay.
Because remember, when the ball attacks you, these two drops.
Yes.
So they had 5.
At the back.
I think he was trying to do what? Let's play it safe. That's me. That's what I saw.
Across the block.
Yes. I think the first 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Cross received. Ndu went in.
Yeah.
Cross received the ball here, Steve. Now look at what's happening. And I don't understand why.
Yeah.
It's on his stronger foot.
Yes.
Why kick the ball up? Why not pass it here?
Aish.
And then you saw what happened with Stellenbosch's goal. Hence why I always say, for me, whoever said beautiful footballs means each and everyone must play at the back. Yeah. He's killing us. Cross wins the ball here, Steve. Yeah. Instead of him clearing the ball, you've won it, you're a defender. Yeah. Your primary job is to do what? Defend. What's your ball with Dot? There's 2 players that are pressing here. What does Dotley do? We force our with guy. Yes. But win a ball, fella. Goal. For me, that's a high school era, Steve. Because you need to be able to see, where are you? Yes. In the field of play. That's true. You see. But one thing, what I've loved is what they were doing when they were pressing, Steve. They were always here. Why? Yeah. When they had 3-4-3. Yes. But what happened after the sub? They went back to 4-3-3. Now I want you to see who's this Blom's position. Yes. Ndu came in as a 10. Yes. Whenever Chiefs had the ball, Blom was joining in to push who? Matt. Blom comes here, they remain with the 3. Miguel, Lidut. Now that alone, you've got Matt doing the up and down here. Yeah. It allows him to play free. Yes. Free roll. In the half spaces. Yeah. And if you have half spaces, now you have Duba. Yeah. We might have criticized him, but for me, if you look at the runs Duba was making today, very brilliant. Yeah. Whenever they had two center backs, he wasn't running here. He always came here.
Yes.
And when you come from here, you come here, there's no way you're going to be offside. Because look at where your run is coming.
Yeah.
Right in front. Hence the goal. Yeah. The pass from Villegas.
Yes.
The only thing that Villegas did was to watch the run and he played the ball here.
On the man.
On the man, Steve. And one thing you need to give credit to Duba.
Okay.
Look at the patience he had in the box.
He did.
He relaxed. He killed the keeper just where they are marked.
Yes.
You see. So for me, that's how Chiefs played. I might be wrong.
You're right.
I might be wrong, and there's nothing wrong with me being wrong.
Exactly.
Yeah, because that's what I saw.
Yes.
But what I've loved about Udiong
What,
is
coach?
Diong is dangerous. Diong is very dangerous.
Explain, coach.
Stellenbosch had this. Because they had Adams, they had their jersey 27,
Hey.
they have Nduli.
Yes.
They who's that? Diong was up top, but whenever they had the ball, he came in to allow Titus and the other winger to come inside.
Yes.
Butzaka.
Yes.
Now look at what he does. He drops in here. Has no dropper, he goes on side. You know what happens to the CDM? He comes in. Now you're leaving what?
Space. For Jabal.
For Jabal, and then Jabal attacks. We see. So that's what I saw with Tivo.
Hey.
But we need to give credit to, for me, Blom was man of the match.
Aye.
That's me. Someone might say Duba because he scored.
Yes.
But for me, Blom had man of the match.
Yes, coach.
He was doing almost everything right.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the one thing that I personally feel, just to kill it before people kill me,
Yes, coach.
I think was the weak point for Chiefs.
Okay.
Look at how many left footers you have, EST.
Duba.
1, 2, 3.
All on one side.
I always say whenever you have left footers on one side, you always look imbalanced.
Why?
Because most of them can't use their right. Hence why the goal they scored. The only thing they did was to play it right in front of the clock. But because he doesn't have right, umfana ufitile aidala cross. And for me, I still think Cross needs to. I'm not sure if he's a Chiefs material. Bradley,
I'm a provy coach.
No, Steve Bradley. Let's not talk about Carla, but for me, if you're playing 3-4-3 with wing backs, Mashiani is a better wing back because Mashiani gives you the up and down. He gives you quality crosses.
Yes.
So for me, Mashiani is always up and down. He was a better wing back than Cross. That's what I saw, Steve.
Anything else to say, coach?
Yeah, people will kill me. Zoeli wants to come in. What Pirates? I don't know. I heard Pirates lost, but we are here for Chiefs.
How about next? The social media next.
Can't see where we?
FNB.
Yeah, I'm here at FNB.
Let me tell you, coach.
Yes, I'm listening.
Pirates
Is you love guy?
1 knee.
It's football. It's part of football.
Part of the game.
Yeah, you win some, you lose some. Remember, I said you divide the league into 3 parts.
Okay.
First 10, second 10, third 10, and then it's done.
Yeah.
So this is the first term game for Pirates.
Yeah.
They've lost it.
Yeah.
How many games are left in the second term?
2 men.
9. And in that 9, they are playing who? The team that just won here.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes. Home and away. So let's keep it that way.